Nothing has officially teased its upcoming flagship earbuds, the Ear 3, just days before their full debut on tomorrow. The preview gives us a closer look at the design, which introduces a fresh mix of premium materials and some intriguing new features. For the first time in its lineup, Nothing is incorporating metal into the build of its true wireless earbuds. Both the charging case and the earbuds themselves feature recycled anodized aluminum alongside the brand's signature transparent aesthetic. The addition not only improves durability but also gives the Ear 3 a more premium look and feel. Nothing Ear 3 case will have a super mic on it now they can hear you. The earbuds themselves have been slightly reshaped for better comfort and feature a slimmer 0.35mm metal antenna, which should improve connectivity. The gaps in the design have also been reduced, giving the Ear 3 a more refined finish compared to previous models. Nothing is clearly positioning the Ear 3 as a premium option alongside its more affordable Ear A. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.